नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, 12th बाईपार्टाइट का एमयू साइन हो गया और वर्किंग एम्प्लॉइज को इस बात का अंदाजा लग गया, एस्टिमेट, कि 17% पे स्लिप पे हाइक और 3% लोड के हिसाब से, और फिर उसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द प्रोपोर्शनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो होगा फंड्स का करके, इसमें HRA, CCA एंड अदर अलाउंसेस आएंगे। एक स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा फिगर्स हाईलाइट इरिवर्सिबल डैमेज आपको दिखाते हैं हम कि क्या इस डाटा के हिसाब से हमारे बैंक क्लर्क का और ऑफिसर्स का सैलरी सेकंड बाईपार्टाइट से 11th बाईपार्टाइट के बीच में क्या डेवलपमेंट हुए, और ऑफिसर्स का कंपैरेटिवली अगर देखें तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के तुलना में क्या डेवलपमेंट हुए। Bank's clerk initial pay has increased by 105 times from rupees 170 in second bipartite to 17,900 in 11th bipartite. Bank scale 1 officer initial basic pay has increased by 51 times from rupees 700 to second bipartite to rupees 36,000 in 11th bipartite. The basic pay of the bank clerk has gone up by 120 times from 550 to 65,830, but band scale 1 officer maximum basic pay has increased by 45 times only from 1800 to 80,450. Different pay structure prevailed in different banks until end of the 1970. Pillai committee recommended a uniform pay structure for bank officer in all banks, and the same was implemented in 1979. Bank scale 1 officers pay was fixed at 700 to 1800 by equating with the government class 1 officer pay 700 to 1300 with substantial higher ending, while government class 1 officers initial basic pay increased by 80 times from rupees 700 to rupees 56,100. Bank scale 1 officer basic pay has increased by 51 times only from 700 to 36,000. The maximum basic pay of the government class 1 officers gone up 136 times from 700 to 1,77,500, but bank scale 1 initial basic pay has increased by 45 times only from 1800 to 18,450, while GM level government officers initial basic pay has increased by 68 times from 3,000 to 2,05,000. Banks GM initial basic pay has increased by 39 times only from 3,000 to 1,16,120, while GM level government officers ending basic pay has increased by 64 times from 33,500 to 2,24,400. Banks GM ending basic pay has increased by 37 times only from 3,500 to 1,29,000. The worrying fact is that the GM of a bank drawing a maximum basic pay of rupees 1,29,000 is now not even equal to the government class 1 officer drawing a maximum basic pay of rupees 1,77,500. It is not fair. The part of IBA bank management and all the more on the part of bank officers association to be silent spectators watching this grave injustice being done to the bank officers. When will they awake and rectify the situation? इसके अलावा एक डाटा आपको मैं देता हूं, why first time in history of the wage settlement basic salary of skill 1 officer will go below CPC in 10 years time frame. That's why it is we demand the merger of special pay in the basic to achieve. Friends, हमारे जो बैंक ऑफिसर्स के प्रति ये इनजस्टिस हो रहा है, लेकिन यूओबीयू के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आंख मूंद कर बैठे हुए हैं। ना हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के करीब जा पा रहे हैं, ना LIC ऑफिसर्स के करीब जा रहे हैं, और अभी हमारे सेटलमेंट के बाद जब LIC अफसर का सेटलमेंट होगा तो निश्चित रूप से अगर हमें 17% मिल रहा है तो उन्हें 22 या 24% मिलेगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।